Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. The video you are watching right now were from my recent fishing trip in Massachusetts. We caught so many huge pollock and each of them has so big egg in them. The fish egg not only tasty but also very nutritious. I don't want to waste anything. And I bake the eggs into a very good cooking ingredients. Today, I want to continue my fried rice series. I'm going to make a fried rice with all this fish egg, meant for cooking, healthy eating. Let's get started.
Here are the ingredients. Rice freshly cooked, but fridge kept overnight is better. Fish egg, peas and carrot, scallion, and 2 eggs. Add fish egg to the rice and thoroughly mixed. Pour the egg slowly to the wok while stirring very hard. Add some scallion. Add carrot and snow peas. Add the rice. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon. Finally, add some olive oil.
Here is the fish egg fried rice. The fish egg was fresh from my catch. Nothing goes waste. And this tastes so good. I hope you enjoy this video. If you could, please subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my future posting. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.